Hello guys, so today let's see how you can create your YouTube channel so you can make some money online. It is the best way in 2025 to make money. This tutorial will tell you how you can create your Gmail account along with the YouTube channel. So first thing, open your YouTube, and if you have any channel logged in, then click here on this icon and then click on switch account and click add and create account for my personal use, and put your name here, whatever you want the channel's name, and click next and select your birthday and choose the account name here. Now create a password here, click next, agree to the terms and condition. After your account is created, you just click here, and here you will see the option of creating a channel, and here you put the name of your channel and then you put your handle name or the URL for your channel and then click create channel, and that's all. Now you are logged into your channel. So thank you so much for watching the video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.